Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are looking at the Vivo Y19s 2025 edition. This is Vivo's latest budget smartphone and it comes with some impressive features that might just surprise you. Let's break it down and see if it's worth your money. Starting with the features, this phone is powered by a new mid-range processor optimized for performance and efficiency. You can expect smooth multitasking and decent gaming performance. The device comes with a large battery that promises all-day usage and supports fast charging. The display is a high-resolution LCD panel with a smooth refresh rate, making scrolling and media consumption more enjoyable. On the camera front, Vivo has equipped the Y19s with a dual or triple camera setup featuring AI enhancements for better photos in different lighting conditions. The front camera is optimized for selfies and video calls, ensuring crisp and clear images. Moving on to the exterior, the Vivo Y19s has a sleek and modern design with a glossy or matte finish depending on the color variant you choose. The build quality feels solid with a lightweight yet sturdy frame. The back panel features a stylish gradient or a simple classic look, catering to different user preferences. The phone has a side-mounted or in-display fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking, adding to the convenience factor. The button placement is ergonomic and the overall feel in hand is comfortable even for prolonged usage. In terms of software, the Y19s runs on Vivo's latest UI based on Android, offering a clean and smooth user experience. There are various customization options, pre-installed apps and features that enhance usability. Regular updates are expected to improve stability and security over time. Now for the conclusion: should you buy the Vivo Y19s 2025 edition? If you are looking for a budget smartphone that offers a good balance of performance, battery life and camera quality, then this might be a solid choice. It may not have flagship level specs, but for its price range it delivers a reliable experience. If you are a heavy gamer or need top-tier camera performance, you might want to look at higher-end models, but for everyday use this phone gets the job done. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Vivo Y19s and if you would consider buying it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more smartphone updates. See you in the next video. Here's your script for the Vivo Y19s 2025. Let me know if you want any changes or additions.